8 worst motorcycles for seniors. Are you a senior looking for the perfect ride? Before you invest in your next motorcycle, you need to watch this video. Today we're breaking down the 8 worst bikes for seniors. These bikes might look appealing, but technical flaws, comfort issues, and handling challenges make them unsuitable for older riders. From high seat heights to unreliable performance, these bikes have a list of reasons why they could ruin your riding experience. Stick around to learn what to avoid and save yourself from making a costly mistake. Number 8. Honda Grom 125. The Honda Grom 125 is often celebrated for its fun, lightweight design and quirky aesthetics, but it falls short in meeting the needs of senior riders. Powered by a 125cc single-cylinder engine, the Grom struggles to deliver the power and stability required for highway speeds. While its compact frame and nimble handling make it ideal for city commutes, these same qualities become limiting factors for seniors who may want a more versatile motorcycle capable of handling longer rides or maintaining stability in faster traffic conditions. One of the Grom's most noticeable shortcomings is its seating position. Its small, cramped design can be particularly uncomfortable for taller seniors or those with pre-existing back or joint issues. The lack of legroom and upright posture can lead to discomfort, especially during extended use. For seniors who prioritize ergonomics and long-term comfort, the Grom's compact dimensions make it less than ideal. The Grom's absence of advanced safety features like ABS, which is not included in the base model, further reduces its suitability for senior riders. ABS provides added safety in emergency braking situations, a feature many older riders value for the confidence and security it offers. Without this feature, the Grom demands greater skill and precision in braking, which can be a challenge in unpredictable scenarios. Another significant issue with the Grom is its small wheels. While these work well in urban environments with smooth roads, they struggle to maintain grip and stability on uneven or wet surfaces. This limitation makes the Grom less reliable in varied riding conditions, reducing its overall practicality for seniors seeking a safe and adaptable motorcycle. Although the Honda Grom 125 has its charm and a loyal following, its compact size, limited power, and lack of advanced features make it an unsuitable choice for senior riders who value comfort, safety, and versatility in their motorcycle. For those seeking a reliable and ergonomic ride, there are far better options available. Number 7. Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. The Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 captures the charm of retro styling, but its technical limitations and comfort issues make it less than ideal for older riders. The bike's 650cc parallel twin engine is known for excessive vibrations, which can lead to fatigue during long rides. For seniors with arthritis, nerve sensitivity, or general discomfort in the hands and arms, these vibrations can be particularly problematic. The clutch on the Interceptor is also notably stiff, requiring significant hand strength to operate effectively. This can be challenging for seniors, especially in stop-and-go traffic or during extended periods of riding. Furthermore, the bike's reliability has been called into question, with frequent reports of oil leaks and electrical failures. These issues often result in higher maintenance demands, which are inconvenient and costly for riders who prefer a hassle-free ownership experience. The suspension setup of the Interceptor is another drawback. It tends to be overly stiff, making it less forgiving on rough roads or uneven surfaces. Combined with its somewhat cramped seating position, the Interceptor fails to provide the comfort seniors often seek in a motorcycle designed for extended journeys. Number 6. Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R. The Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R is a high-performance sport bike that prioritizes speed and handling, but its design features make it unsuitable for seniors. The aggressive riding position forces riders to lean forward, placing considerable strain on the wrists, shoulders, and lower back. For seniors, this posture can quickly lead to discomfort and fatigue, especially on longer rides. The high foot pegs exacerbate this issue, keeping the legs in a compressed position that is particularly uncomfortable for those with knee or hip pain. Additionally, the Ninja's 636cc inline-4 engine delivers sudden bursts of power, making it difficult to control for riders who prefer smooth, predictable acceleration. While this level of performance may appeal to younger, more aggressive riders, it is not practical or safe for seniors seeking stability and ease of use. The suspension on the Ninja ZX6R, designed for track performance, is another point of concern. It offers minimal shock absorption, making the bike less comfortable on regular roads with uneven surfaces. These factors combine to make the Ninja ZX6R one of the least suitable motorcycles for seniors. Number 5. BMW R18. The BMW R18 is undeniably a visually striking cruiser, designed to captivate attention with its classic aesthetic and retro-inspired lines. However, for senior riders, its significant weight and demanding handling characteristics make it a less than ideal choice. Weighing an imposing 761 pounds, the R18 is one of the heaviest motorcycles in its class, presenting substantial challenges when it comes to low-speed maneuverability or tight parking scenarios. Seniors, particularly those with reduced physical strength or mobility, may find these tasks require considerable effort, increasing the risk of fatigue or accidents. While the R18 offers a low seat height that might seem accommodating at first glance, its overall ergonomics tell a different story. The wide handlebars and forward foot controls demand an awkward riding posture, requiring the rider to stretch and maintain tension to stabilize the bike. This design not only reduces comfort but also contributes to rider fatigue over extended journeys. For seniors looking for a relaxed and effortless riding experience, the R18's ergonomics fall short of expectations. Another drawback is the heat output from the R18's large boxer engine, which can become particularly uncomfortable during warmer weather or in congested stop-and-go traffic. This heat can detract from the enjoyment of the ride and exacerbate fatigue on longer trips. Additionally, the bike's low ground clearance poses further practical challenges. Scraping the undercarriage during tight cornering or when traversing uneven terrain is a common issue, making the R18 less versatile and more suited to smooth, open roads. Despite its undeniable visual appeal and craftsmanship, the BMW R18's weight, ergonomics, and practical limitations make it a challenging motorcycle for senior riders who value ease of use, comfort, and reliability. While it may be a showpiece in terms of design, its real-world usability for seniors is considerably limited. Number 4. Ducati Panigale V4. The Ducati Panigale V4 is a high-performance motorcycle that excels on the track but falters when it comes to practicality for everyday use, particularly for seniors. The bike's 1,103cc Desmosedici Stradale engine delivers immense power, but its aggressive throttle response can feel overwhelming and unpredictable. For older riders, this lack of smoothness can create a sense of unease, particularly in urban or low-speed environments. The Panigale's riding posture is another significant drawback. Its high seat height and forward-leaning stance place stress on the rider's back, neck, and shoulders, making it highly uncomfortable for extended use. Additionally, the bike generates excessive heat, which can make riding in warm weather unbearable. The suspension on the Panigale, tuned for track performance, is stiff and unforgiving on uneven or rough roads. Combined with its lack of wind protection and emphasis on speed over comfort, the Panigale V4 is better suited for the racetrack than the open road, particularly for older riders seeking a more relaxed and enjoyable experience. Number 3. KTM 1290 Super Duke R. The KTM 1290 Super Duke R, often referred to as the Beast, is a powerhouse of a motorcycle, but its aggressive performance and handling characteristics make it unsuitable for seniors. The 1,301cc V-twin engine delivers immense torque, which can be intimidating and difficult to manage for riders looking for a more relaxed ride. One of the bike's biggest challenges is its seat height of nearly 33 inches, which makes mounting and dismounting difficult for riders with limited mobility. The advanced electronics package, while impressive, can also be overwhelming for less tech-savvy seniors, creating a steep learning curve for adjusting settings or troubleshooting issues. The bike's sharp handling and aggressive design prioritize performance over stability, which can be tiring and unnerving for older riders. While the KTM 1290 Super Duke R excels in delivering adrenaline-pumping rides, its overall design and features make it one of the least suitable options for seniors. Number 2. Yamaha MT09. The Yamaha MT09 is often praised for its lightweight design, agile handling, and impressive performance. But these very qualities can make it a poor fit for senior riders. At the heart of the MT09 is an 890cc triple-cylinder engine known for its sharp throttle response. While this powertrain delivers exhilarating performance for aggressive riding, its unpredictability and throttle control can make smooth acceleration a challenge. For seniors who value stability and predictability, this abrupt power delivery can create a sense of unease, particularly in urban environments or during low-speed maneuvers. The MT09 offers an upright seating position, which might initially seem like an improvement over traditional sport bikes. However, the hard seat and lack of wind protection detract from its comfort, especially during longer rides. Seniors who prioritize ergonomic designs that reduce fatigue and provide cushioning for extended journeys will find the MT09 lacking in this department. The absence of wind protection also exposes riders to increased fatigue on highways, further reducing its suitability for older riders. While the MT09's lightweight frame and sharp steering make it a favorite among younger, sport-oriented riders, these same characteristics can feel overly sensitive for seniors. The bike's agility at high speeds or on uneven roads may come across as instability rather than control, particularly for those who prefer a steady and grounded ride. This heightened responsiveness demands a level of physical engagement and riding precision that many senior riders might find taxing. In summary, while the Yamaha MT09 is a thrilling and dynamic option for certain riders, its sharp throttle response, hard seating, and sensitive handling make it a less than ideal choice for seniors. Older riders seeking a comfortable, predictable, and forgiving motorcycle would do better to consider models that prioritize stability and ease of use over aggressive performance. Number 1. Harley-Davidson Street 750. At the top of the list is the Harley-Davidson Street 750, a cruiser that fails to deliver on its promise of accessibility and comfort. While marketed as a lightweight and affordable Harley, the Street 750 still feels top-heavy, making it difficult to handle at low speeds or when parking. Its 500-plus pound weight can be a challenge for seniors, particularly those with limited strength or mobility. The bike's liquid-cooled V-twin engine is prone to overheating, especially in stop-and-go traffic. Additionally, the stiff clutch requires significant effort to operate, which can be exhausting for older riders. Despite its approachable seat height, the Street 750's poor weight distribution and frequent maintenance issues make it an unreliable choice. For seniors seeking a dependable and easy-to-use cruiser, the Street 750 falls short in almost every category.